Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to create a Facebook page in 2023. First of all, open up the Facebook app. After opening the app, click on Menu from the bottom right corner and click on the Pages option from here. Then tap on Create a new page. To create a new page, the first thing you need to do is enter the name of your page. Then mention the category relevant to your page. After that, you can enter the bio of your page. Now click to create a page. Then here you need to enter a website, phone number, and email address. You can also select the hours of your shop, then click on Next. Now the next step is to customize your page, in which you can add profile picture and cover picture. Then, you can connect your WhatsApp to your page. Or you can skip this step. The next step is to build your page audience. You can add friends and grow your page and then tap on Next. And the last step is to stay informed about your page, where you can turn on or turn off these features to help make the most of your page, and click on Next. Then, tap on Done to complete the process of creating your page. Then once the page is created, you can do the additional settings in it. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.